So first phase lasts till 15 days because we don't know anything about the rest of the world. And suddenly we see Vasco da Gama ships arriving in Kalikat. Then they visit Anjali. Then we see Apollo conquering Goa. And we suddenly become aware of everything that is European and Western and Iberian, Spanish and Portuguese, and then it is completely different phase. It completely transforms this place. Everything, technology, language, dress, warfare, everything, architecture, shipbuilding, everything. It was like a great culture shock. And we absorbed it. And then India becomes independent in 1947, and there is freedom struggle in Goa to liberate it, like all over Africa and Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Kenya, Zambia, all these colonies were all struggling to get independence. So it all happened from 1946 to 1961. We had a very intensive freedom struggle, and that is what led to military action in 1961.